Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Tirado. Are you having trouble falling asleep at nighttime? If you are, you're definitely not alone. You know, between 50 and 70 million U.S. adults suffer from some type of a sleep disorder or just have plain old trouble sleeping at nighttime due to chronic pain in the body or pain inside the joints. You know, a lack of sleep doesn't just leave you feeling groggy and grumpy the next day, but studies have actually proven and shown that poor sleep quality can actually put you at risk for serious health problems, including things like heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, stroke, even severe anxiety disorders. You know, if you're dealing with a frustrating sleep disorder, CBD oil might actually be a solution for you that you've been searching for. You know, it's as a natural plant-based alternative to over-the-counter drugs, which can be dangerous sometimes and habit-forming. Using CBD oil for sleep is actually gaining rapid popularity within recent years. It's also because it's actually very natural. So by the time I finish making this video, you're going to know exactly what CBD is and the effects of CBD on the body and how much you should even be taking to help improve your sleep quality, and where you can also might even be able to purchase CBD oil. All right, so let's get started. You know, so what actually is CBD oil? You know, CBD oil, or also known as cannabidiol, it's a type of cannabinoid. That's an active compound that's found in cannabis, and it's also found inside your body. And while it's made or derived from cannabis, it really doesn't have any of those psychoactive properties that you'd find in marijuana. That high that's associated with cannabis comes from a different type of cannabinoid, and that is THC. You know, CBD has been found to have an antipsychotic and an anti-inflammatory and also calming problems that improve insomnia by reducing symptoms of pain and anxiety that make it very, very difficult to sleep at nighttime. And the good part is, because CBD is not psychoactive like marijuana is, you can actually legally buy CBD oil derived from hemp in all 50 states. However, if you buy CBD oil that's derived from marijuana, the higher THC content might make it illegal where you live, and you might not be able to purchase it. And that's why it's always a really good idea to do your research and check your state's laws before you go out and just purchase any type of CBD online or inside a store. So in addition to treating sleep disorders, studies also show that CBD oil actually the effects may also include the potential to treat symptoms that are associated with a wide range of other types of medical conditions, including things like cancer, multiple sclerosis, epilepsy, and even Parkinson's disease. A lot of people have said that it's helped them with that. You know, one of the most well-known CBD effects is its ability to treat sleep disorders. And if you have trouble falling asleep at nighttime or even during the day, or if you frequently wake up in the middle of the night, and if you find that you cannot get back to sleep, you'll find that the relaxing properties of CBD oil may actually help you get a good night's rest. And it might help you get a really good deep sleep. You know, CBD oil may even be an effective treatment for lack of sleep that might be caused by things such as chronic pain, things like insomnia, daytime sleeplessness, just general fatigue, even restless leg syndrome, anxiety, again, chronic pain coming from things like arthritis or migraines, pain in the neck, pain in the back. And so those are, you know, there are benefits of using CBD over taking just general sleeping pills. You know, if you walk into any store, you're going to find different whole host of products that claim to treat things like sleep disorders and also chronic pain. So why, why should you actually pass those up and buy CBD oil for sleep? Well, let me tell you that many of the pharmaceuticals that are prescribed to treat sleep disorders come with a whole long list of harsh possible side effects as well. such as anxiety, depression, impaired driving, and also symptoms of withdrawal if you decide to stop taking them, such as long-term insomnia. And sufferers will often have a hard time quitting taking those sleep aids. So using CBD for sleep, on the other hand, well, number one, it's non-habit forming, and it has, number two, relatively few minor side effects. Nausea and irritability are some of the possible side effects, but these are really uncommon and very, very rare. So a few things that you should consider before even using CBD oil, because the human race has been using cannabis-based medicines for thousands and thousands of years, but it's only more recently where we've actually started to research them. Our understanding of CBD effects it's growing every single day, and the future of natural cannabinoid treatment is very, very exciting. It really is, and research just continues to grow. But while CBD oil has actually shown really great potential as a safe, non-habit forming sleep aid and pain reliever, there's a lot more research that is needed to really understand what goes on in the long term. As always, I recommend before you start taking CBD, talk with your doctor before starting any type of new supplement to treat specific sleep disorders or to treat chronic pain on your own. Also, what I want you to do is just keep in mind that most studies that involve CBD for sleep focus are on adults. It's not necessarily on children. And the way CBD affects children right now, it's really largely unknown. We know that it's helpful for epilepsy, that's for sure. So that's why it's kind of recommended only for adults right now and some children. If you're pregnant, you're breastfeeding, or you're taking any other sedative or medication, always consult with your doctor before you begin using CBD for sleep. The bottom line is that not all CBD products are really made the same. So you shouldn't just buy CBD oil without doing some research first. You may also need to experiment with some of the different products to find, some of the most effective concentration of CBDs for you, or to also figure out what's going to be the correct dosage for you. So, don't let sleep disorders and don't let chronic pain problems prevent you from getting a really good night's sleep any longer. Maybe you might want to try cannabidiol or try CBD oil. Give it a shot. That's it. I'm Dr. Jason Tirado. Thanks for coming to my channel, and I'll continue to do my best to answer your questions and help you get started on a better way of living and a more natural way of becoming healthy. Thanks a lot, Dr. Jason Tirado, your West New York chiropractor.